Like I said earlier, speaking to the leaders, we are a party of barely 2.5 months, but we are a party with 4 members of parliament already in parliament. And we are here in Acholi to lay a firm ground upon which the DF will occupy parliament in the next election. And I have no doubt in the persons, in the quality, in the character, in the history, in the DNA of the people we have nominated, that we shall have members of parliament in the 12th, 13th parliament. In the 12th parliament. The Honorable Lucy, where's she? Okay, she's behind doing some work. We were together in the 10th parliament. And she's an incredible woman. You've all heard her speak. Which community is sane and can reject a woman of her character or her caliber? We know the problems that inhibited her being in the 11th parliament. We are going to work with her as a party. We shall support her. She must be in parliament, the next parliament. We know her potential, and the country and the people of Padel cannot miss you. They should not miss you being their voice. My sister Lillian, thank you for accepting to be part of this, our struggle. And we believe that your determination and your knowledge of the common issues of your people will be rewarded. My brother Ojok, I think he's around, the candidate for Padel SC5. Oh, he's around here. Yes, I remember him 3 years ago. He received me in Padel. I had gone there to check and inspect and confirm the nodding syndrome and how it had devastated the communities. We moved together the whole day, and I can confirm he loves and feels for his people. Your people will look at you as a leader. My sister did observe here, Kevin, that this region is looking for leadership. But can I tell you, the entire country is looking for fresh leadership. You saw the group that assembled in Kolo over a whole week. They are tired, they are exhausted, and they are clueless. They actually have nowhere to go. The only place they should go is home, and we take over. You can see they are stranded. It's your job, it's my job, it's the duty of those who left home to be part of the struggle to build a new consensus for Uganda. The Party Secretary General spoke earlier and talked about the need for us to build a new national consensus. The DF is not a party of excitement. No, we are a serious party that is out to give the people of Uganda a new meaning of our independence, a new meaning of a free people, a people capable of determining their destiny, a people capable of building afresh, to be able to give a bequest worth passing on to our children and grandchildren. This day, to raise a new hope for the children and communities that whereas they never had occasion and opportunity to go to school, that their children will go to school and also have a fair chance to have a job and change the fortunes of their families and this community, this very vulnerable community. To build a new consensus where our people that have been badly divided, whose hopes were shattered by divisionism and wars, that there's no need for revenge, that we can engender a new hope, that those whose lives were shattered can be properly compensated.